To get started on setting up a custom domain, go to the Hosting tab within the Firebase dashboard. Once there, find the blue button labeled Use a Custom Domain. Once clicked, provide the domain that you wish to use. Click Done. Now you'll see some instructions on verifying your domain. To do this, you'll have to go to your account within your DNS provider and add 2 text records. In this case, I'll be using GoDaddy, but the same instructions should apply for any other DNS provider. Once logged in, find the Launch button underneath Domains. Then click on the domain, and then click on the DNS Zone File tab. At the top, click on Add Record, and for record type, select TXT. In the dashboard, we'll copy the first host value and paste it in. Then we'll go back and we'll select the TXT value. Once that's been pasted in, click Save. Click Add Record once more, select TXT. In the dashboard, we'll select the host value for the second text record, and then we'll copy the second value. Click Save, and make sure to save all of your changes. Back in the Firebase dashboard, click on the Verify Domain button. You may see a message notifying you that it can't find your record. Depending on the DNS provider, it may take up until an hour to propagate the records. And now we have a successful message letting us know that we were able to validate the ownership of our domain. The next step is to request a domain certificate, and this is done by Firebase Hosting. However, this process can take up to 24 hours. Once it's been completed, you'll receive an email with the final set of instructions. Now that we've received the final set of instructions, we need to activate our domain. To do this, we need to change the CNAME record. So we'll copy the points2 value, and we'll go back into our DNS details, and we'll scroll down to the CNAME section, and we'll edit this record for www. And rather than having it point at the @ sign, we'll set it to point at our Firebase subdomain. Click Save, and make sure to save changes. Now open up the browser to your domain. It may take a couple of minutes, but eventually you should see your application. Even though setting up your own custom domain can seem like an arduous process, it's just as easy as changing a couple of settings. Please feel free to contact us if you need any help.